I just signed up for Creative REI Reply, and the reason for me getting it was I was trying to find a way to connect with sellers and work a full-time job, 40, 60 hours a week, without hiring VAs, which are extremely expensive and unreliable because the majority of the time they're from the Philippines and their English is um, not the best. My experience so far is the onboarding was awesome. Initially, from signing up, I was kind of intimidated by all of the bells and whistles. There's so many different things inside that, if you're not familiar with the software, it's a little bit intimidating. But the onboarding took care of all of that. They did everything. And they even answered the questions that I didn't even know that I had. So it was great as far as the onboarding. I would say to someone that's on the fence, the only problem you will run into is too many leads. You won't know what to do with all of the leads that are coming in. And to be honest, I haven't even turned it on all the way as far as all of the lead sources, but just the initial for sale by owners. With having the AI able to connect with everyone, and you don't even have to talk to anyone unless they're interested, it's a game changer. So I will continue with the software. Hopefully, things get even easier with the AI setting up appointments and things like that. But if you're on the fence, your only problem is what to do with all of these leads because it will take care of itself. Thanks.